Good morning to everyone. In the previous lecture, we have discussed on the Fourier series. Basically, the Fourier series is depend on the value of a naught, an, and bn. Then we know that a naught equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx dx, and an equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx cos nx dx, and also bn equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx sin nx dx. Then we have taken the example of Fourier series. Find the Fourier series of fx equal to x 0 to 2 pi. Then the limit value is 0 to 2 pi. Then we have find the value of a naught. A naught equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx dx. Fx equal to x. Then put the value 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi fx dx. Then the integrating x, then x square by 2 0 to 2 pi. Put the limit. Then upper limit is a 2 pi and lower limit is a 0. Then find the value of a naught equal to 2 pi. And also we find the value of an equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx cos nx dx. Fx equal to x, put then 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi cos nx dx, integrating with respect to x. In the integration part, we can be use the first into second, and ax is a first function and cos nx is a second functions. Then we can be use the formula of first into second. First into second, we can be use the ILATE. ILATE means inverse logarithm. In the behalf of this, we can be use first and second. Then x is a first function and cos nx is a second function. Then we can be integrate both and put the value of 0 to 2 pi. Then 0 to 2 pi, find the value equal to 0. And also we find the value of bn. Bn equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx sin nx dx. Fx equal to x. Put and limit equal to 0 to 2 pi. In this case, we can be use the first into second. X is a first function and sin nx is a second function. Then 1 upon pi first functions, then integrate of second functions minus first functions differentiate, second functions integrate, and 0 to 2 pi. Then put the limit and find the value of 2 by n minus 2 by n equal to 1 to 3. Then b1 equal to minus 2, b2 equal to minus 1, and b3 equal to minus 2 by 3. Then in these functions, we can be find the value of a naught, an, and bn. Then the Fourier series Sn equal to a naught by 2 summation of n की value 0 to infinite an cos nx plus summation of n की value 0 to infinite bn sin nx. Then n equal to 0 cannot be applied. The region of a naught by 2 in the functions is already exist. Then n equal to 1 to n, 1 to dot so on. Then Sn equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 cos x plus a2 cos 2x plus a3 sin 3x plus dot plus b1 sin x plus b2 sin 2x plus b3 sin 3x. And put the value of a naught and a1 cos a1 a2 a3, but an equal to 0. Then a1 a2 a3 equal to 0, and also bn equal to b1 equal to minus 2, b2 equal to minus 1, b3 equal to minus 2 by 3, and put the value and find the answer. Sn equal to pi plus 2 bracket minus sin x minus 1 by 2 sin 2x minus 1 by 3 sin 3x, and so on. Then 2 is a common. Then Sn equal to pi plus, or we can common in a minus sign, then minus 2 sin x plus 1 by 2 sin 2x plus 1 by 3 sin 3x.